things from QVC. Obviously, I love KitchenAid, but this genius and this genius,
We love
Tony
you, Mary
Natero,
Beth.
you are a genius. He's a great
Hi,
chef
everybody.
and genius, but this is in my kitchen. It's in my refrigerator. It's actually, I have a couple of refrigerators because we have one out in the garage too.
Correct.
Got one in
too.
there. Why? Because your food stays fresher longer. And why would you want to throw that food away when you've spent good, hard-earned money? You don't want to throw things away. You want to be able to eat it. We just don't always get to it in time. This will help.
Absolutely. Comes from commercial applications. So think of cruise ships, hospitals, institutions, restaurants. We have ionized refrigeration because what that does, it actually lengthens the life of food. So if you've been on a cruise ship and you wonder how the strawberries could be so fresh at sea after 5 or 6 days, it's the ionization. So what this does, and this is crucial, it actually eliminates gases. So things like ethylene gas and ammonia, which is what all fruits and vegetables have to help them ripen, this will eliminate it, which actually extends the life of your food. It's one of the best crispers you'll ever have. It's a deodorizer, and it's so simple to use. When you get it home, 4 batteries that comes with it, goes on the bottom. You press the power button, it'll power up, and then I want to teach everybody, hold the mode button down, it'll change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And then hit the mode again, it'll take you up to high, which is your normal refrigerators. And then this little baby right here, SF, I'm going to press it so you can see, that's called Super Fresh. The blue light will go on. I use that when I do my big shop, because it'll do the entire fridge. It'll ionize it, eliminate the gases, and keep everything fresh, and then it'll turn back to its normal state.
Oh, I tell you, it's very, very simple. I mean, seriously, I put the batteries in, I turned it to Fahrenheit instead of Celsius, and I just literally left it in the back of the refrigerator and forgot about it. And the other thing it does is if your door, your refrigerator door stays open too long, it will actually, give you like a little beeping alarm to
There's
let
an
you
alarm
know.
on the side that you can activate. Yep.
Now, here's the other thing. You've got several colors to choose from. I want to just show these to you because they're really great colors. We have the blue, which is more of like an aqua blue. We have the red. We have orange. Here is the green, like an apple green. And we have the purple. These are on 3 easy monthly payments today, but that easy pay goes away at the end of the day. It's $10.16 a month. Trust me, it is worth every penny. Listen to this. We have sold 255,000 of these, and that's 250,000. And we've also got so many 5-star reviews. Here we are. 5-star reviews. So you can go on QVC.com. You can read the reviews. People love this. And so if you don't yet have one, and however many refrigerators you have, make sure you get one for each. And then you can literally set it and forget it. Let's go back to the refrigerator. Sure. Come on back over here.
So a lot of people ask me, Chef Tony, where do I put it?
Yeah.
Pretty much you can place it anywhere you want in your fridge because this will do the entire fridge, including down into the drawers. You don't have to open up the drawers. The only secret to Genius Air, there goes my alarm.
There's the alarm because we've been holding the door
absolutely.
open.
It's summertime coming up. The kids are going in and out. Guys like me who forget to close the fridge. Vivian's laughing every time she sees this. There's a little alarm set right here on the side so you control it on or off. But what's great about this, anything that's in a bag or a box, you want to open that up so that the gases come out.
Even like strawberries, even though they have the holes on the
still
sides,
want to open it.
Open it.
Correct. Lettuce, celery, anything that's in a bag like tomatoes. That way when this senses the gas, it'll turn on, eliminate it, and it'll help to keep the food nice. Notice something too. There's a lot of foods in here. You didn't smell that when you opened it up.
No, I didn't. And
So-
honey, I've opened this and smelled some funky things in the past.
We won't go there. I hear you. So you don't have to put a lot of plastic wrap on top of your things. There's no cross-contamination. And what's cool about this, when you put this, you won't realize how good this is until you look at your strawberries and go, wait a minute, when did I buy those?
Yeah.
And you don't see the little fuzz.
Yeah.
So it's really what I call the silent protector of your fridge.
Yeah. Or I say if you have 2 refrigerators, like one upstairs, downstairs, or like main floor, basement, put one in and don't put one in the other one, and then wait 2 weeks and then check both of them. Here's what we call day 14, day 15. What are we seeing in the difference?
What you saw right there is Genius Air is on the left refrigerator. There's no Genius Air on the right. If we just stay on this for a second, because you can really see what it does. Look at the radishes in the back. They're completely gone.
Oh, wow.
The banana's brown. The 2 little nubs you see on that right side used to be the strawberries. But look at everything on the left where Genius Air is. That banana is still golden yellow, and that's how it started 2 weeks before.
Oh, man.
I mean, we hired security guards 24 hours a day for 14 straight days. These refrigerators were never open, lipstick cans on the inside. I mean, this product really does extend the life of your food. So for our foodies, if they're alone and they want to buy that bigger deal, you can,
Yes.
because the food will last.
Exactly, till you can get to eat it. Speaking of smells, let's just talk
Yeah.
about this right here.
The stinky plate. I've said that since 2011, the stinky plate. So in here we have garlic, blue cheese, salmon, caramelized onions. Like we said
I
back
don't
there,
smell anything.
it's one of the best deodorizers
telling
you'll
you.
ever have.
Wow.
And, you know, it's unlike, and we talked about this earlier, unlike the thing we normally put in the fridge,
Yeah.
this doesn't mask odors, it eliminates those gases and odors.
Right.
Can you do me a favor? In the
Sure.
back, I have a beautiful piece of cornbread.
Yes.
I'd like you to pick that one up.
Okay.
Because remember, it's been under the dome, locked in there. Give
with
it a little
salmon,
sniffy.
with a garlic, with blue cheese, with caramelized onions. It smells like sweet vanilla cake.
Mm-hmm.
It really does. Oh, that smells so good. And you don't smell those other smells. I'm telling you, I will eat salmon, but only if it's really cooked. And for me to see that, you know, fresh salmon that's
I know.
uncooked, like, to me, I would expect this cake to smell fishy. And it doesn't at all.
Well, we've had that in our home.
Wow.
Where we put something in the fridge
Yeah.
and then we taste something else and go, oh my gosh, it tastes like that.
Right.
That's probably a little sticky, so I'll
good.
give
Just
that
it
to
was
you.
sticky because it was still fresh.
So I want to show two quick things while you do
Okay.
that, okay? I'm just going to take my cucumber, because sometimes when you buy things like, let's say on a Friday, and you cut into them on that following Thursday, they're dried out.
Yeah.
I just want you to see the moisture that's inside here
Wow.
still. It really does extend the life of the food.
It's amazing.
And this is my promise to everybody all these years. Listen, that beautiful sound of freshness.
Yes.
That lettuce will be like this 6 days, 8 days, 2 days. Your raspberries, your strawberries, your celery will still have a nice snap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, it really, look at the price. We're talking $30 and it's on 3 easy payments that go away at the end
That's
of the day.
awesome.
So you can get this home for $10 and change. And we've got all the different colors. It's so easy to do. The batteries come with it. You put the batteries in the bottom and then once again, you hit the mode button. That will switch it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And basically, that's all you really have to do.
That's it. And in super fresh mode, you'll see the blue light go on. That blue light tells you it's working. It'll turn amber when the batteries are going bad. It'll turn
good.
red, tell you to change it.
Excellent. And by the way, if you have a Q card, you can use that and you can get easy pay, and it will be about
Yay.
$6 a month. We have blue, we have red, orange, green, or purple. So choose them. I'm telling you, they really do work. Tony,
Thank you,
you're the
Mary
best.
Beth.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So good to
Bye,
see
everybody.
you. And we continue with our kitchen ideas. Now, here's an idea I have not seen. It is brand new, brand spanking new.